People smoke tobacco and cigarettes, cigars, and pipes. Tobacco smoke has many harmful chemicals that cause problems in your whole body, not just your lungs. Smoking is addictive because tobacco has a drug in it called nicotine. Smoking causes cancer. Smoking increases the chance that you'll have a heart attack or get a lung disease, such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease or lung cancer. It's hard to quit smoking, but taking medicines and learning how to change your habits can help. Breathing in smoke from someone else who is smoking, called secondhand smoke, can cause the same health problems as smoking yourself. Smoking while pregnant can hurt the unborn baby and cause the baby to be born too early, a low birth weight, sudden infant death syndrome, problems with the baby's lungs, including asthma. Electronic cigarettes, called e-cigarettes, and vapes contain liquid nicotine and flavored chemicals, not tobacco. The e-cigarette or vape heats the liquid into a vapor that you breathe in. You can become addicted to e-cigarettes or vapes if they contain nicotine because nicotine is addictive. Because nothing burns in an e-cigarette or vape, you don't get the same problems caused by smoke. Certain substances in the vapor, such as tetrahydrocannabinol or vitamin E acetate, appear to lead to severe lung injury and sometimes death. E-cigarettes and vapes haven't been around long enough for doctors to know the long-term risks. Immediate effects. You often don't feel anything from smoking, but you may feel more energy, better able to concentrate, less hungry. If you try smoking and aren't used to it yet, you may feel sick to your stomach, flushed, or both. Long-term effects. Smoking hurts nearly every organ in your body. The main smoking-related problems are heart attack and chest pain, lung cancer, COPD, which is a lung disease that makes it hard to breathe. Smoking also makes it more likely you will have a stroke, cancer, in addition to lung cancer, lung infections and asthma, osteoporosis, a disease that makes your bones weak and break easily, gum disease, sores in your stomach, cataracts, when the lens of your eye slowly gets cloudy, causing your sight to get worse over time. Smoking also causes dry and wrinkled skin, thinning hair, yellow teeth, weight loss, withdrawal symptoms. If you quit smoking, you may go through withdrawal. Withdrawal is when you feel sick after you stop taking a drug that you took for a long time. Smoking withdrawal can cause you to want to smoke, feel moody, anxious, sleepy, or sad, have headaches and trouble concentrating, tremble, tremor, have an upset stomach and gain weight. Yes, you should talk to your doctor about smoking and how much you smoke. Your doctor can explain why smoking can harm your body and help you quit smoking.